Hello guys, this is our part number 5th of a pipe network. In this chapter, you know well, we are created the alignment of the pressure network, and this is the gravity man, and this is the distribution man. Now in this chapter, we are creating the profile of the alignments. So first, we have to start the creating the profile. So just here you come in the create the design panel and just click this drop down arrow here once, like that. Then this tools is here. So creation the tools, creation surface profile. So first we have to take the create the surface profile, because we have surface. Now we are creating the surface profiles. So just click to here. Okay, then it's asking me to us the alignment name. Alignment name is the our pressure man is there. Do you remember we given this name to the different, and the surface is the pipe network. Okay, just add from here. Okay, then draw in profile view. Just click once, then this window will be open. Here you can give to the profile name. I am giving to here name the pressure man, same name. Okay, then here click just next. Here station range from 0 to this length, total length is coming. Now again just click once here. Here also it should be automatic, the minimum maximum height, it will be automatically considered. Next, then profile display view hai, that you can see the options are there. Here nothing you have to change. Okay, then next. Okay, then say the data band. Okay, this data band later will change, but now it will be show the EG, FG elevation and stations. Okay, then say next. Okay, hatch we don't want now, we'll do later. Okay, just create profile view. Here click once. It's asking where you want to put your profile. So just this is the our profile nearby the our pressure network. Just I'm click to here. Wait, see our profile is there. Here now you see the profile, all profile line is here. You see, this is the okay. Later we will make it the easy to be visible. Okay, in this chapter we will just create the profile all. Then again you enter for repeat this command, or you can go again to here. Just click once here and create the surface profile here. Okay, now here you choose the alignment. See, we have now here gravity man also. Okay, then gravity man and our surface is there, distribution network. Just add. Okay, and draw in profile view. Same. Next you can give to name here gravity man. I'm giving to gravity man. Okay, then next, then next, then next, then next, nothing you change. Then next, then create the profile view here. Just click. So this is it. You will put here one by one. This is the gravity man. Gravity man here. Just click. See, you can see the profile gravity man is this, from this height to a come up to here. Okay. Next, again for the distribution man, just enter once and see the alignment name is the D1, and we don't want the same this gravity man. Here we have to give to same name D1. Okay, then next, 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 and next, next. Okay, create profile. So first one here. Okay, see here nothing has been appeared because of we didn't add our profile. Just click and go to the profile property view here. Okay, then here station this one, and elevation this one, profile this, band this. Okay, information this. But why not appearing here the profile? Because we didn't add the our surface here. So just you go to undo, okay, then click here, okay, create the surface profile, and here we have to check the D1, okay, then distribution network, this surface we have to add here, okay, then draw profile view, then next it will be automatic, okay, next, and next, then create the profile view. So here it will be appear now, see, profile is there, okay, as per our surface, this is surface profile is there, ready, and name the D1 profile, so we remember this one all. Next, again you repeat, enter, then here you see how to put the D2, okay, and the profile view name you give to D2 here, D2 here, but we didn't add the here also surface, so better we have to just one cross once and go to here and create the surface profile here and choose from here D2, okay, D2, and surface is the same, then you add here surface, otherwise the profile not view will be not come. Just draw, next here, next, okay, and now create here. So this is the, I'm going to put here number 2, yes, this is the number 2. Then again we have to go to the same place here, okay, create surface profile here and change the here name D3, okay, same distribution network our surface, we have to add our surface here and draw in that, okay, general nothing you change, everything will be automatic, next, okay, then create the profile here, okay, this profile all you can see here, okay, then again we have to repeat this same, create surface profile here and bring to D4 here, okay, surface is the same, and give to here, add the surface and draw, okay, and give to name is that D4, okay, then next, and next, nothing you change here, create the surface profile, this is the number 4th. Again we have to go here and create the surface profile here, just change from here number 5, okay, and distribution network our surface name, add surface, okay, draw, and next, same have to repeat, then create here, this is the number of the 5th here, okay. Then again you go there and create the surface profile, and here you bring to number 6, okay, same our surface distribution network, add, okay, and draw, and next, okay, create the surface, I'm putting to here, okay, this is the number 6th, okay. Then again we have to go to here and create the surface profile and choose the here number D6 already, then D7, and same the distribution network surface, add this and draw in the profile, okay, and the next, okay, next, and create the profile here, just click here, okay, and now again we have to go there, create surface profile and choose our alignment here, number 8, okay, and distribution network our surface, add, draw, then next, okay, create, okay. Now our last one, 9 number, we have to create here surface profile, okay, and give to number 9, okay, and same distribution network surface, add it and draw in profile, and general nothing change, all will be automatic, nothing change, and create the here, okay. Now one thing you know, here see, this is the D9 profile and this is the D8 profile, this is the at D7, and this is the 6 at D5, okay, and this is the 4, and this is the D3, and this is the D2, and this is the D1. So all profile we created, but now you see here band is we have to create edit. So how I want to show you is, you see here we will create same like this band, see change ground level, design bed level, cut fill, like that we have to create the in the next video all like, and even the like this sections all their material also. So we will create the assembly pipe trains, everything we will arrange, create and edit. Even we will assign the volume, earthwork volume, how much the trains excavation the material is required, or maybe we have to backfill and cutting, the all will be in the next video I will show, and the how to import this band styles from one drawing to another drawing, that I will show you also. Thanks for watching.